It's the perfect time of year to cozy up with a hot bowl of soup, so if you're interested, this is how we make our white chicken chili. We started with 6 chicken thighs and 3 chicken breasts. Yes, I know it's a lot, we're making a large amount. We seasoned our chicken with mesquite lime, sea salt, and Dano's hot chipotle. Make sure you flip them over and season both sides. We decided to trim some of the excess fat off the thighs. We also got 4 tomatillos ready to go on the grill with the chicken. While the chicken was on the grill, we prepped the vegetables. We chopped 1 yellow onion, we chopped half a red onion, we chopped 1 red bell pepper, Then it was time to go out to the grill and flip all the chicken and tomatillos. Then we chopped 5 poblano peppers, and 6 jalapeno peppers. Next, we tossed all the veggies in a giant pot. Then it was time to go out and take the chicken and the tomatillos off the grill. You guys, this chicken smelled so good. I cannot wait to see how this chili turns out. Next, we diced all the chicken. Next, we removed the core from all the tomatillos. We diced them up in the chicken and mixed them all together. Next, we tossed the chicken and tomatillo mixture into the pot with the vegetables. We added in 3 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of Great Northern beans, 1 can of red beans, and 1 can of whole kernel corn. Then we added in 2 packets of white chicken chili seasoning mix. Then we added 2 half cans of water just to rinse out the tomato cans and add a little bit of liquid. Next, we added 3 cups of chicken broth. For seasonings, we added in some black pepper, some ground cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, some Dano's hot chipotle, some smoky habanero garlic ketchup by Zesty. Then we gave it a real good stir to mix it all together. After we mixed all that up, we decided it could use another can of diced tomatoes, another half can of water, and one more can of Great Northern beans. Finally, we added just a little bit of hickory liquid smoke. It was looking so good at this point, but we let it simmer for about 2 hours. While we were waiting for the chili to cook, we prepped some fresh cilantro and limes. Finally, when the chili was done, it smelled so good. We dipped ourselves a couple big bowls. We crunched up some tortilla chips on top, grated some fresh cheese, added some of that fresh cilantro, and just a little bit of lime juice to finish it off. This chili was definitely 10 out of 10. The chicken, the spices, the vegetables, it came out so perfect. If you like chili, you definitely have to give this a try.